In this network we are going to look a few more functions regarding the allocations. So in this video we will look in allocation cancel, allocation finalize, update allocation, and start repair. So first of all, let's see what repair means. So repair is a condition. I mean, when why you have to repair, in which condition, why you want to repair your allocation. Assume that when you are downloading a file or something, and let's say for that brief moment or for some reason one of your blobber was down and the file was not actually updated on that parity blobber or any other blobber. So let's say, I mean, it's nothing to worry. It's not like that 75% of your, let's say out of 4, 3 were up and 1 were down. So it's not like that. Yeah, only 75% of your file is uploaded. Actually 100% of your file is uploaded on the data ones, and a parity one or maybe a data one is missing a file. I mean, that's a complex thing. We have 2 data blobbers, 2 parity, so it's kind of a copy we are making. But just the point is, let's say there is a file which is not present on all the blobbers. Some of them have it, some of them don't, and you want to repair it. You want to repair your allocation. All the files should be present on all the blobbers. Everything should be neat and clean. So that's where the repair thing comes in. So as you can already see in the help, what you have to give is the allocation, the repair path, and the root path for the files, for your local files, if you want to actually upload them. Otherwise what it will do, it will download from the other blobbers and upload it, so might take time. If you have those files in somewhere in your local, then that will be better. For example, let me see my allocation. What are my allocations now? So I will do start repair. First of all, let's give allocation on itself, and then I will say repair path simply means which path of your allocation you want to repair. If you want to repair whole allocation, just give root path. So when you give root path, it will repair the complete allocation. And let's say for files, I say okay, this is the directory which I'm using for uploading downloading files, so this is where you will get the files. So if I do this, it will go through all the files in my location, check whether any of them need repair and any of them is present here, and all those checks. I mean, if there is any incomplete chunk, whether the file is present to local, how should we upload it, on which blobber we should upload, everything it will check. Kind of a, I mean, if there was a file to be repaired, it might take some time, 1 2 3 minutes depending on the size of the file. Since right, we haven't had any such case, it simply said repair file completed, total file repaired 0. But yeah, you guys can also try on your local. It's highly unlikely you will find a situation where you need repair, but yeah, if there was a situation where a blobber was down or your file is not properly updated on a blobber or 2 blobber or multiple blobbers, this repair will help in that case. Okay, so the next is update allocation. I guess this is a simple one. Update allocation simply means, let's say for some reason you want to increase the size of your allocation, or expand your, update the expiry of your allocation, like let's say by 10 more days, 15 more days, or whatever. Or let's say you want to increase the size from 2 GB to 4 GB. This is a simple operation. Only you can update two things only: expiry, size. Allocation flag is the standard, and lock is again the same which we give in the new allocation. This money or this tokens will go into the right pool. Since if you are upgrading your size, you might want to lock more. I mean, if I'm going from 2 GB to 10 GB, let's say, so that will require me to lock more tokens into the right pool due to the minimum lock demand, which is per GB. So the calculations are always per GB. So if I'm upgrading my size in GBs, I have to lock some more tokens. Let's upgrade my allocation. I mean, obviously we didn't saw anything in repair, but I think I can show you by updating my allocation. So my size you guys can see here, my expiration you can see. Let's increase the size, and let's I guess I just have to give the amount I want to increase. So let's say I want to increase just 1024 bytes. Now what's the point of increasing too much? So update size, I don't want to lock any more tokens. This is hardly any size increment I'm doing. This should work, but yeah, allocation flag. Okay, let's see if this increases my size by 1024, or it might fail due to some reasons. I mean, anything can happen in the network. It's a blockchain network. But it is updated. Please see the allocation now. and you guys can see the difference. It's not a big last, just see the last four digits, 3648. It's 4672 now. So exactly the addition of 1024, which I did here. Now let's update the expiry. I mean, you can do both together, but since I'm explaining, I'm doing it one by one. Expiry 24 hours. I want to increase it by 24 hours. You have to give the amount only by which you want to increase, not the final total amount. Okay, so let's say, okay, expiry, wrong word, expiry. So 24 hours. You guys can use this format: 24 hours, 72 hours, 720 hours. 1 month is 720 hours, I guess. Yes. Let's see if the allocation update works. It worked here. But since it's a blockchain network, any transaction for some reasons might fail. So it is possible that some operations might fail sometimes, but that's highly likely until unless there is some problem. So it's done. Transaction completed, and earlier it was 13/1/2021, now it's 14/1/2021. Allocation updated. We can update size, we can update expiration, we can also add more tokens as we update size, but that was not required in our case. But yeah, you can use this to add more tokens. Now let's go to alloc cancel. Alloc cancel, alloc cancel is simple. One flag only. Allocation, well, the details are here already. Allocation cancel used to terminate an allocation where because of blobbers it can't be used. Thus the blobber will not receive their minimum lock demand. The respect of the cancellation follow the final action. Simple terms: you're not happy, you have any problem with blobber, you are not able to use your allocation because of blobbers, simply cancel allocation, and the blobbers will not get rewarded, they will not get them on tokens, and yours will be written back. So let's see. I don't want to cancel my allocation, well, but yeah, as you can see, it's pretty simple. Just one flag, give your allocation ID, that's it. Press enter, done. I don't want to do it. Sorry, I'm not gonna do it. Finalize, what's the command for finalization? Alloc finey, I don't know why they named it for finey, but finey fine. Same. Finalization is better. Finalization is actually done when your allocation expired. I mean, let's say after 1 month your allocation expired. I mean, it's already 2 days or 1 day allocation expired, and now what you're thinking that what happens to all the money? The write pool tokens, the read pool tokens, and even, I mean, the allocation is not finalized yet. So finalization simply means completing, or completing your subscription, or giving the last bye bye or something, that hey, I'm going to finalize my allocation, that's it, thank you. And it will move all the tokens between the pools and everything which is left in the right pool, read pool, to your account. That's it. Whatever remaining, I mean, you might have used 50% only of your allocation, so the rest 50% tokens which you used will be given back to your client wallet. So again, same, alloc fini, and only one flag. That's it. So simple, guys. Nothing else. One flag, finalize allocation. Well, you can read more about finalization and cancellation on our storage smart contract. I hope there will be more details in the storage smart contract readme regarding these two commands. That's it, guys. So we covered repair, we covered update allocation, we covered finalization, we covered cancellation. I've shown you all the details. You can always use the help command to see the flags, and we'll continue creating more videos regarding other topics. Thank you.